Alright guys, so welcome to my ICO guide. I want to create kind of a beginner's guide to investing in ICOs. I know it can be a little challenging, and I'm getting asked a lot of questions from people that are beginners in investing in crypto. I just feel I need to help them out because I've seen some issues that have happened lately, and I want to make sure that you find the right ICOs. So what is an ICO? It's an initial coin offering, and it's the means of crowdfunding through the release of a new cryptocurrency or token to fund that project. And there's pros to having an ICO, which there's no banks involved, there's no venture capitalist, there's huge potential gains, and anyone can invest in them. But there are some cons to investing in ICOs also, because there's no regulations, there's a lot of scammers, there's concepts and ideas for the most part, not a lot of them have products, and there's no track record. What I'm going to show you now is some ICO research, how to participate in ICOs, and then trading after you bought the ICO coin. So ICO research, read the white papers, and you're going to want to get whitelisted, and then also know your customer, KYC, is it required? And then a list of other resources are in the description here below. So participating in the ICO, you're going to sign up, complete those KYC requirements, which usually require verification using a photo ID or passport or in a bill in your name. And then you're going to create your MyEther wallet, which we're going to do that right now. Okay guys, so real quick, I want to help you create a MyEther wallet, and this is just going to be a fake one for me, but I want you to understand how to do it. You're going to visit myetherwallet.com, and there are fake ones out there, so make sure that's exactly where you're going, myetherwallet.com. Once you're here, you're going to enter a password, and then you're going to create a new wallet. Okay, so once that's done, you want to save this information because you may need it somewhere. So you're going to download it, and then you're going to say, I understand, and continue. And then you're going to get a private key. This is how you're going to log into MyEther wallet. This is very important. You do not want to let somebody find this at all. Don't give it to anybody. So I encourage you to maybe print it out and put it in your safe. But you will need that. So I'm just going to copy it for now. But like I said, this is just a fake wallet that I'm not going to use anymore. And then you can print them out as well. I'll show you what the printout looks like, just like that. It's going to have a wallet address, and it is also going to have your private key on it. So that's what you can save. Now, once I'm done, I'm saving that address. How I would log in, and I'll mention this in a few of the different things that we'll do. You're going to click on View Wallet Info as an example. Click on Private Key. Paste that private key in there, and then click on Unlock. And this is going to show my balance. And you can see in this MyEther wallet, it has a zero balance, and it will have a zero balance because I'm not going to use it. If somebody saw this information online, this probably will get hacked, but there won't be anything in there to steal, just to let you know. And any Ethereum-based coins can be added in here, and if you are paying for Ethereum on an ICO, which 99% of them accept it, then you can put those coins in here. Also, at any point, if you want to see the coins that you do have in here, you can click on this Ether scan right here, and it's going to show you the value. So any Ethereum that you have in here, and then also it will show any other coins that have been added to that wallet as well. Other tips about your ICOs, only visit the correct website. There's a lot of scam sites out there, especially with emails, and then also make sure you only use the wallet address they give you. If you give it to somebody else, you're going to get your money stolen. So the demand for some of these ICOs can be very high, and that ends up causing gas wars. People increase the limits and the prices on gas super high, so they make sure that their funds get there quicker so they can get invested in the ICOs. Because of that, people are paying outrageous amounts for fees, and then other people get left out. So the gas limit and gas price, consider it kind of like driving a car. Gas limit being the distance and gas price being the price per gallon. And if you multiply them, you're going to get the Ethereum transaction cost. So sending funds to your ICO. You're going to visit MyEther wallet. You're going to click Send Tokens, enter that ICO address, enter the amount to send. You're going to choose a gas limit of 200,000, and you're going to choose a GUI on the top of 99. In this situation here, actually, on the 200,000 limit and the 99 GUI, that actually results in about a $24 cost to send those coins, which is expensive, but if you want to get invested in the ICO, you may have to do that. Should you happen to get scammed and send money to the wrong wallet, save these directions because this will actually help you get your money back if you do it before the transaction verifies. So trading after an ICO. I'm going to talk about the exchanges and then also a little bit about sending coins. Popular exchanges, Ether, Delta, I'd stay away. Binance and Bittrex are my favorites. There's a link right there in the description, and then also right here you can use my referral number if you sign up for Binance. I'd appreciate it. So depositing funds, log into the exchange, click funds or balances, find a coin that you're going to deposit to, click deposit, and then copy that coin wallet address. After you're done with that, now we're going to go back to my Ether wallet. And you're going to click Send Ether Tokens. You're going to paste the address you just copied. You're going to enter the amount that you want to send, and then you're going to choose a gas limit and choose a GUI. When we're not doing an ICO, using 21,041 on the GUI should be just fine, and that's going to cost you usually about $1 to send. What this is a fee to the miners who are mining these coins. There are resources in the description that can help you out. Make sure and use the links. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments. I'm happy to help wherever I can. I'm going to try to provide you some of the best ICOs each month that I think are going to be really good. So please look out for those. Also, I do want to mention to you that after ICOs, it does take a while for the coins to get on other popular exchanges. So you could be a month or two before you see things show up on Bittrex and Binance. But like they will show up on Ether Delta almost immediately after receiving the coins. But you don't receive the coins immediately on all ICOs. Some can take a couple weeks before you actually get them. Thanks for watching and happy investing.